Hi, I'm Scott Maskin, CEO of SUNation Energy. At SUNation, we're constantly working towards making Long Island a more sustainable home for generations to come, whether it's through our residential, commercial, or community solar systems. As a subscriber to SUNation Energy, we thank you for being a big part of this. I know you're anxious to start benefiting from a community solar system that we've deployed on a rooftop, and we're as anxious as you are. Thank you for your patience while we work diligently with PSE&G on their safety measures to get everything up and running. We're almost there and hope to have you energized and everything online by June 1st. The good news is that once the system is turned on, you'll start receiving energy right away. Please keep watching your email for updates, and we'll keep you informed throughout the process. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to Beth Graziani, that's bgraziani@sunnation.com, or call the main number at 631-750-9454, extension 308. Thank you for your patience. We'll be sending power to you quite soon.